Hello and welcome back, fellows. I hope most of you have already applied max functionality to see the maximum number in a certain field. So I'll demonstrate here. Is equal to max, and you select that particular data set, and you can see the maximum number in this particular data set. Now, in a case, if you want to set up a criteria, I want to see a specific max number for a specific user, let's say in this case, in this table. That is also possible, but not with this max functionality. There's another function called MAXIFS. In this case, you have to select, first of all, max range. So in this case, the max range is the score which we would like to see the maximum number for. Then it's asking for a criteria for the range. So where we will apply the criteria, for example, the names in this case. And eventually you have to provide a criteria. In this case, the criteria, let's say, is we would like to see Mr. John's numbers. So, okay, and I will close the parenthesis and enter. So Mr. John has highest 790 or max number 790. So you could see that you could set up a criteria here in this case, and you could apply for that particular score. So that criteria can also be set up on a field. Let's say, for example, if I put here a name, and in the criteria field, I will, rather than having Mr. John's name, I will select the cell and I will enter. So you can see it is showing Mr. Ali's score. If I change here the name to Mr. John, it will show Mr. John's score. And in a case, if I put Mr. Albert's name here, you can see his score there. So you can make it in a way a little dynamic as well. Fellows, practice it, use it, and put your comments down there in the comment section to share your experience with other fellows as well. I hope you enjoyed it. I wish you a good day and stay safe. Bye bye. Fellows, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with your friends, with your colleagues. Thank you.